Good morning, I'm Barbie and I wanted to show you my morning routine and a little bit about why I love Mary Kay, because there's not a one size fits all. So I'm going to actually walk you through my morning routine, and now that it's in the winter, I've added the naturally oil and the moisturizing stick to just give my skin some extra moisture because it's been getting dry with the winter and cold months. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start with my cleanser. I use the TimeWise Repair cleanser. This has retinol in it, which is a vitamin A, and it helps with your skin's natural collagen. I love this stuff. It smells so good too. And it's a foaming cleanser. So you just use a little bit, wash it really good, and rinse. Alright, nice and clean. So if you have serums, you're going to want to put serums on. I'm using my Pore Minimizer, and I just put this all over my face. This gets deep down into the layer of your skin to help minimize pores. It's amazing. You can use it daily. Alright. I'm putting all my serums on. This I love. This is also from the TimeWise Repair. This is the Advanced Lifting Serum. So I put this on my neck and my gels. Help keep my triangle of youth lifted and toned. I love it. So good. I love this too because it has like a cool little Peekaboo Window that tells you how much you have left. So as it goes up, you'll know you have this much left. You guys, this naturally oil is amazing. I love it. It smells so good. It's totally versatile too. So you can add it to your lotion. You can put it on your hair ends. It helps with cuticles. I love it. And it helps with adding moisture. And it's this cool little like dropper. I'm going to actually just put it on my face because I've been getting dry. It smells so amazing. Oh my goodness. I love this stuff. I put it all over. Put it in your cuticles. So good. And I'm actually going to put some in my hair too. So good. And the naturally line is their natural line. So this is actually 100%. This is 100% natural ingredients. I love this stuff. So amazing. And the naturally stick I love too. Another 100% natural, but you can just put it on wherever you need some more moisture. I even put it on my lips. You can put it on your cuticles. This is great for cuticles. You can put it on your feet. I have two of these. I have one for my face and one for my feet and my elbows and the rest of my body that I need a little extra moisture. But again, 100%. And then I also use my TimeWise Day Cream. This has SPF Broad Spectrum 30 in it. So it's going to help protect my skin from the environment that ages it. And it has resveratrol in it. And any extra I just put on my neck and my hands. Don't forget your eye cream. I use the TimeWise Repair eye cream. I love this because it has a metal tip applicator. So it really helps soothe my eyes. But this helps with puffiness, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, deep lines and wrinkles, all of it. So I put it on and then I use the metal tip applicator. To just kind of finish it off. Amazing. That's it. And voila, I'm done. I'm ready to start my day and get ready. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have a beauty consultant, make sure you ask her to help you find your own customized regimen. If you don't have a beauty consultant, I would love to chat more with you and help you find your own customized beauty skincare regime. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.